Hello viewer, today we are in Groningen City of Netherlands. This is a very historical and beautiful city, and now we are going to visit the place of Forum Groningen. This is the highest place in Groningen City. From here you can view the splendid view of this city, and also there is in this building is very big library and also big museum and so many facilities. So you should watch complete video so we can visit the Forum Groningen.
Night, maybe take off in the morning and you don't have to feel like.
So now we are going in the top of this building. Its name is Forum Groningen. This is very beautiful building. From here you can see the very beautiful view of Groningen City. You should must visit this place if you are planning to trip off this city. हम अपने उर्दू बोलने वाले व्यूवर के लिए बताते चलें कि ये नीदरलैंड के जो खूबसूरत सिटी है ग्रोनिंगन, इसकी सबसे ऊंची जगह है। यहाँ से आप बहुत खूबसूरत व्यू देख सकते हैं जैसा कि आप वीडियो में देख रहे हैं। इसके अलावा इस वीडियो में आगे चल के हम आपको एक बहुत बड़ी लाइब्रेरी और म्यूज़ियम की विज़िट भी कराएंगे जो कि इसी सेम बिल्डिंग में है। यहाँ से आप इस सिटी का बहुत ही खूबसूरत व्यू देख रहे हैं। ये इस बिल्डिंग के टॉप ऑफ द फ्लोर से है और बहुत खूबसूरत मौसम है। आज संडे का दिन है, धूप निकली हुई है, इसीलिए लोग भी यहाँ बहुत से आए हुए हैं। वो सब इस बिल्डिंग को और सिटी को देखने के लिए आए हुए हैं। इसके अलावा कुछ लोग यहाँ पे इसलिए भी आते हैं कि मौसम एंजॉय करते हैं क्योंकि यहाँ पे धूप बहुत अच्छी तरह होती है। If you are planning a trip to Groningen, then you cannot go past this new forum, not just because of its splendid view of Groningen, also because this is a historical city and very beautiful city. This is also famous as a city of universities. So many international students here come for studies. Also, this city is famous as a most bicycling city in the world. People use many bicycles for their jobs or city tour or shopping. They not use their cars so many. If you are planning to trip of this city or this place, then first you should go the official website of this place. Its name is forum.nl. From there you can see every information about openings times and all other activities. Also you can see the prices of tickets. First visit this website before coming here.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. 'Cause you're trying to stay strong and make me smile until I look away. But I want you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade
Just let me be me and I'll stay out of the way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into the place. You wanna love me, well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no they'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Just stay strong and fake a smile.
Ik dacht ik zou maar zeggen. Hey Maro, hello. How are you? Yes, I'm still also fine, thank you.
From a European one to Netherlands one, a Dutch one.
Yeah, over there. See the. Yeah, it goes out.
According to the rules and regulations, now I am going to the other parts of this building. Just like you can see here, big library, but unfortunately there was not permission with camera to visit in every parts in this building. हम अपने उर्दू व्यूवर जो उर्दू समझते हैं उनको बताते चलें कि यहाँ पे आप कोशिश करते हैं हम कि जो इस बिल्डिंग के दूसरे हिस्से हैं वो आपको दिखाएं, या जैसा कि आपने लाइब्रेरी देखी एक बड़ी सी, यहाँ पे कुछ इसे ऐसे हैं बिल्डिंग के जहाँ पे कैमरा ले जाने की इजाज़त नहीं मिली, क्योंकि जो यहाँ के रूल्स और रेगुलेशंस थे उनके मुताबिक ही हम ये व्लॉग बना रहे हैं. सो लेकिन आज जब आप खुद आएँ तो आप फिर खुद भी जा सकते हैं, कैमरा के बगैर देख सकते हैं. इसके और भी बहुत सी हिस्से हैं.
Swear I won't forget this, why do I regret this? In my mind reckless, thoughts are feeling endless. Sitting up I'm breathless, anxiety's infectious. I feel so defenseless, betrayed and embarrassed. I hate being open, I hate being broken. I feel like an ocean filled up with emotion. Anger ain't a potion, rub it on like lotion. I can feel it soaking, reopen, the scars have awoken. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. 'cause I can't move on till I let go. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold, 'cause I can't move on till I let go. The pain makes it real. I don't wanna feel. I just wanna kill the bad thoughts and steal a good thought and feel. I'm just lost to feel. I'm just lost to feel. I need time to heal. I can't steer the wheel, 'cause this drive it kills and it gives me chills. A nice road it feels. I slip off the peel and crash all the steel. Will I ever heal? I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold, 'cause I can't move on till I let go. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold, 'cause I can't move on till I let go.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, 'cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.
This is the forum shop. From here you can buy many things if you like. यहाँ से आप किस्म की चीज़ें या कॉफ़ी पाइप खरीद सकते हैं. ये सामने आप देखते हैं, यहाँ से आप टिकट्स खरीद सकते हैं. Because of some parts of the I hope you like this vlog. Now time to say goodbye to you from Forum Groningen.
more.